Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by putting yourself where conversations happen. That's the how. Go to 2 to 3 events weekly and pick one predictable spot, library table, lab, or club meeting, so faces become familiar. Once there, signal approachability. Smile, make eye contact, keep arms uncrossed. Start with prepared openers tied to context. This reduces awkwardness and gives you momentum. Make sure to introduce yourself within the first 10 minutes of meeting someone, because early engagement makes follow-up far easier. Once you've had initial contact, deepen connection by balancing questions and self-disclosure. That's the why. Ask factual questions to find common ground, then move to feelings or preferences to reveal personality, and finish with plans to signal continuity. Share one small personal detail, your favorite study spot or weekend hobby, so the exchange feels reciprocal. Make a low-effort suggestion for a next step, like coffee or a study session, because concrete plans convert acquaintances into real friends. You finalize friendship building by converting plans into habits. Here's how and why it works. Follow up within 48 hours with a friendly message referencing your conversation and suggest a specific time to meet, because timely follow-up signals interest and reliability. If someone doesn't respond, give space, then try one more invite. If that fails, broaden your circle rather than overinvest. Keep routine contact, weekly messages or shared activities, to move casual connections into stable friendships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.